going to do the dove. This one is going to have less gold than everything else. It'll just be the eye and the beak, I think. Firmly push down as usual. Our dove. Just line this up. There's also a bit of gold on the wing now for some reason. That's okay. Oh, I might be able to... yeah, I got it off. Excellent. I'll just line this up. So it can shift when you pull the stamp out. So like I said before, just adjust by pushing the fondant in or pulling it out. We have it. Lovely little dove. Dusting. Just going to dot on the eye, and then that's the dove done. As simple as that.